Today I work on this video for about an hour building this resource navigation system where I talk about putting links in here, and this all is pulled from a database and using some Jquery and some MySQL, loading it up into this slide out here. And what I work on today is putting these links in here, and basically if it's a YouTube video or a Vimeo video or an HTML5 video, it doesn't matter. You can add them into the resource, and then once you click on those, the idea here is to open it up on my website here in this video container, and that's kind of what I work on for about an hour. And I also work on determining whether or not there's a link or if it's a video. For instance, here's an Amazon associate as a link, so it puts an image in there and shows me that it's a link, and if it's a video, it shows me a video camera. But the way it works is you open up the slide out and you pick a resource that you want to look at. And for instance, I could go down here to fishing. If I want to go look at some cast netting videos that I saved, I can go in here, and then when I click on one of these, what happens is it opens it right up over here in the video container. Now, if it were a link, like over here, if I go back over here, here's a link. You can see the link image there, and I talk about this in the video. I set this up. But here is a link, external link, and if I click on that snook fishing, you can see that it takes me over to a new link in a new window, so I can look at that. But if I close that back down, then I'm back over here at my navigation system where I can go back in. So that's pretty much what I do for about an hour, building on this navigation system. And it's pretty handy. Like I said, it uses some Jquery and some MySQL and some CSS and also some @media. So this is what it looks like when we first get started. None of the links are showing up, and there's no images showing whether or not it is a video or a link. So this is where we're going to start. Is our link that we're building there, and we're looping through there on that link, and there's where it says link text. Now what we want that to become is the row. This is coming out of the database SQL query. We want that to be the row URL title. Okay, and then on click I want to alert row URL ID, just to make sure all that's working. Whoops. Yeah. Alright, alert there. Now let's upload that. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, I'm working on mobile data here. I use my cell phone at the office, so it's not real fast, but it's not too bad. I think it's on the Sprint network. Ah, see that? Link text. Link text. Let me verify that again. Okay, it just hadn't uploaded, so there you go. So now I have my links. There they are. Well, the titles, I should say. And some of these are videos and some of these are links. And if they're a video, I want them to show up over here in the video player. And if they're a link, then I want to open a link in a new window. So click. There is the URL ID, whatever it is. Okay. These are my group IDs here. This is where I was working on this. These are folders. They use Jquery to traverse down through the database and get more stuff. So that jumps down to a subcategory or a subfolder called cast netting, and there we have some either videos or links. So maybe they could link somewhere. So let's go figure out what's going on here. I have to determine what it is. Here's where I was determining what it is. Now I don't know why those slashes are there. Probably because I copied and pasted it in, but Um, as these roll through here, alright, so it says if it's a Vimo player or YouTube video type link, then the link type will be video. So what I'm trying to do now is find out if it's a HTML5 and copy that, and we'll go, let's see, if it's a dot .ogg equals true, or or we'll just change it, or have an error here. Let's see. Or, oh, okay. No. Okay. String position equals, or, okay. Equals true. Let me just back up here. Alright, let's try to take the whole thing here. Case position that. Let's go copy. You know what? Let's make sure this thing is working first of all. So what I'll do, it's going to go through here and it's going to give us the link type, hopefully. And then down here, I could have it, hey, that's what we'll do. I'll have it alert the link type. That way I'll know if it's doing the right thing. We'll see, right? Okay, so we have to figure this out. So let's upload it and verify. 11. Come on, get up there. Sometimes this cell phone data is kind of slow. Normally it's faster than that, but I probably have to open the window. Alright, let's verify this is doing anything. Okay. Come on. Okay, stop. Refresh. Alright. Now, click. It's a link. Well, is it a link? Well, by golly, that is a link. Okay. Now that is a video. So that is a link. I know that for a fact. And most of these are videos, I believe. Video, link. Amazon. Okay, yeah, that is a link. So, but, all right, so I have to verify if it's an HTML5 video. Okay, so here I have it's an OGG equals true, and I might have to do some testing on that, but let's see. For now it seems to be working okay. I'll have to figure that out later. Now if I go equals OGG equals true, or see if this, okay, that might work. And if I say or it equals, oh, you know what? I should say dot MP4, right? Whoops, I thought I had that. Okay, dot. And then this one should be a dot, which it is. I already had it. Okay. And then I could do it again. Or it equals, what was it? WebM. Okay. WEBM. WebM. So, there. Looks good. Let's upload it. And verify that it's not broken. Okay, refresh. Let me see what's going on here. Did that even finish? Yeah. Okay, there it is. There we go. APIs, phishing. Let's go in here and look at some of these phishing. These are all videos, I think. Um, yeah, video. This is just so when if I do have some of my own videos, they're going to be an HTML5 video on my server. Okay, SketchUp, that's a video. Where's that link again? Palette racking. All right, link. Good. And then Amazon, there's a link. Okay, that's working. Perfect. Okay, moving on. Okay, now we have to make these open up the video. If it's a video, we have to make it change this video to that video. So I guess we'll have to use some JavaScript. Let me see what I have in here. I have some JavaScript in here. Close that. We'll make a new function. Who's your daddy? Yeah, function. Call it change video. Okay, and I guess we need to have the URL of the video. And so we'll use some Jquery. Whoa. Some Jquery. So we'll go source. All right, I'm going to start adding a bookmark here. Whoa, my mouse has disappeared. By the way, it's back. Okay, my mouse is back. I'm recording. Okay, I'm going to put some bookmarks here. This is the second thing that happens, so that's going to be bookmark 2. And if I jump back down here to show links, let's see where I'm actually clicking on the link. Right down here. Okay, right here. That is 1. Okay, so that's bookmark 1. That way I can go right back up here to bookmark 2, and then there's 1. Now there was something else that I needed to look at. I need to get in the page where I call a function right here, the video responsive player function, I give it an ID of resource video. So number 2, that's what we're looking to change. We're looking to change the resource video. Whoops. Resource video. Well, that's going to be what? An attribute. So we'll go attribute. We want to change the source to, well, we want to change the source to the URL. So, and here comes a phone call. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, mouse is gone again. Mouse has disappeared. Okay, it's back. So we want to change the resource video attribute source to whatever the URL that we send it is going to be, where we call change video. So change video on click, we don't want alert anymore. We don't want that. We want to what did I say? Change video. Okay, we want to change video. Change the video. We want to change the video to whatever this is. This is going to be the row URL, right? So the row URL. So on click, change video to resource video, change it to source equals URL. Well, I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Let's see. There's something else I'm going to have to do. I know it. There usually is. Okay, let's just check it out. See what it's doing. Okay, uploaded. Okay, refresh. The nav. Okay, well, something's happening. The URL, the URL, the URL. URL. Okay, I figured something else was going to have to happen. Right? I'll have to figure that out. So let's do this. Let's alert the URL and make sure that, it is the actual URL that we're getting there. It started to change it, but it froze. So let's find out what's happening here, or try to. Troubleshooting. Okay. Refresh. Okay, video. Okay, it's a YouTube watch. Well, that is the video. That is the video. So I need to verify what's happening here. Oh, you know what? No, never mind. Let's see. Alert row URL. Now, right up here, we're saying we want to change the source of the resource video. Okay. Which is, I should have a number 3 down here. Right here. We'll just have that one. We'll make that one number 3 bookmark so we can try to keep track of what's going on here. Okay, resource, video. Hey, maybe we need to change that attribute equals that. I have to figure that out. Something is missing. Attribute. Well, I guess I need to go look at my function. Well, let me see. Number 3. Close all this. Go to number 3. Let's go look at the actual function here. See what I've done. Okay. The function actually figures out what kind of video it is once it gets the video. But down here, let's see, when I actually have source, there it is. The source is right there. Video ID. So the source should change. Well, I'm not sure what's quite happening there. We're just going to have to figure it out. So let's look at this one more time. Yes, this is all fun programming stuff, isn't it? Okay, so if I pick one of these, okay, there's the link, right? All the links are, what is that? Oh, that's an affiliate thing. Okay. Embedded code, la-di-da-di-da, YouTube, there you go. Okay. So, we have it alerting. Let's go to 1. We have it alerting the row URL. So, let's change that back to change video. Video. And then there it is, the URL. It's a mystery. Let's find out. Upload. Okay, refresh. Come on, you. Alright, here it comes. Let's pick one. Let's go with some SketchUp action. Come on. Well, it did go blank. I don't see it. Nothing. Something wrong. Alright, I have to figure it out. Figure out what is going on here. Okay, well, my OBS totally blanked out on me there. So let me bring you up to speed here. I wasn't able to change this video here, but oh shoot, that's wrong too. That was a link. Hello. Okay, so let me refresh this thing again. I'll show you what I had to do to make it work. I had recorded it, but okay, here we go. Here's Facebook, and it closes. Now it closes down the navigation. It's supposed to bring up, and that might just be a lag. I don't know, but all right, SketchUp. Let's pull one of these videos. Okay, so there you see we have a SketchUp video. I could go in here to, let's go fishing, cast nets. You can see now that it's changing. It closes that, and then it brings up the cast net video. And let me show you what I had to do here to fix that. Um, when I click my link over here, I went to the change video right here. I went to the change video like before, but this time what I had to do is use some Jquery and basically post to the page with a job called change video and send it the URL. And this is what happens when it comes back. But when I sent this job as change video, it rolls over here to the conditions, and then right here it says change video. Then it has to recall that function, because what was happening is that function was kind of sitting there static, and basically this function figures out what kind of video to play. So if it's a Vimo video, it plays Vimo. If it's a HTML5, it plays HTML5, and so on. So that's what I had to do, and now it's working. So let's see. So it all works pretty good there. Let me refresh this whole page again. And I guess if you record too long on this OBS, it blanks out on you. So I just saved that one too. Let me actually make sure that that worked. Uh-oh. There's the one that broke, and looks like, well, this is the one I'm recording. Okay, so that one's the one that broke here a minute ago. That's too bad too. That was a pretty long one. I guess you can't have it too long. Could be my processor, I don't know. But anyway, hopefully you're up to speed on what I'm doing. Anyway, let's see what else I've got to do here. Okay, so there's the navigation. Going to fishing, it's all working. So what we want to do now is if it's a link, we want the link to open up in a new tab. That's what we want to do next. So let's see what we have to do. That's going to be used on our links. So when we come down here and we start looking at it, this is the key to that, is finding out whether or not it's a link or a video. If it's a link, we'll just open a new window. So here it says, as I'm building this link up, there's the variable that I'm filling up with this link. So what I have to say here is if the link type equals, and what I say, video, I think video, if it equals video, then this is what we want to do. We want to put this link in there, which is going to call the change video. Let's say end if video. Okay, so then apparently we want to have another one here. I'll just copy that and paste the new one. Whoops, what have I done? Paste another one here, and well, let me fix all this. So if it equals link, we want to do something else. We want to open the link up, which we don't even need a function on that. I don't need an on click. So we'll go target, we'll go blank target, and then we'll have the URL in here, right? So we'll say that will be the row URL. That should be the row URL, and that should work. All right, well, let's verify that that is going to work. Uh-oh, index 2, here we go. That's the one I'm working on. Real-time programming here, woohoo! Okay, go back here, click, refresh. Okay, well, what happened to my video there? Okay, I thought I put 75%. Let me see what I did to my video here. 3. I thought I said 75% is what that's supposed to say. Okay, so save that again, and okay, verify. Okay, video's back at 75%. Okay, navigation. Okay, now I know I had something over here. Where's the link? I think that is, yeah, that's a ClickBank link. So let me try that. Opening a new window, and hey, what do you say? Yeah, let's go catch some snook, man. Or redfish. Wait, no, that's a snook. Okay, so that works. Now, it didn't close the navigation, which is fine. I mean, if it's opening up a new link, I guess that's fine. All right, so now what I want to do is, I guess I want to, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this empty left frame here. This was actually for something else I was doing. And this is actually going to be a resource viewer. What's this thing here? Oh, it must be a link. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, close that. You know what? That's kind of laggy. I think I'll have it close this navigation and then open the video. So close the navigation and then load the video. And actually, yeah, let's do that. I'm going to do that. So, number 2, here we go. When it comes back, I'm just going to switch this back. I'm going to close the navigation system and then open that. Now, I thought I had a loading image as the video's loading, I thought. But let me go see here. Save that. In other words, when the video's loading, it kind of has something there. All right, let's refresh. Have like a loading spinny thing. All right, let's go with car chase on Vimo. Okay, I didn't see anything spinning. I'm not sure. I thought it should be. SketchUp. Yeah, I don't see anything spinning there. I want to have an... Oh, I don't want to... Okay, I don't want to play it. Solar, fishing. See how that spins there as I hit the this plus sign to open these up? You can see that spinning, that's loading. So, you know, I like to let people know something's happening. So when I close that, if it's a slow internet connection like I have with my cell phone data here, I would definitely like to see... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's a link. Okay, well that worked. Hello. That goes right to SketchUp. You know, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have like a little image over here showing whether or not it's a link or a video, so I would know and other people would know. Yeah, I better put that on the to-do list, huh? Yeah, I think you're right. Put it on the to-do list, man. Hey, here's a little to-do list. What the? Okay. Okay, add, whoops. Let's say add image for link or video. Okay, add that. And we're back. So what that is, yeah, it's a little to-do there. What the, which I need to fix that thing. There, you see how that's loading? There, add image for link or video. Okay, great. So let me go back over here and get rid of that other frame. Be down here, number 1. No, number 3. Yeah. Okay, so we have here 2 containers. We have a left column display and a right column display. And their columns, there we go, I have overflow. So what I'm going to do is, I guess to make this easy, I'll just say W3 just want one little thing there. I don't need a background. And I'll just take this container and this button. The button opens up my navigation there. I don't guess I need that span either. Get that out of there. And put this in there. Put that inside this row right there. And then I can just get rid of this other one. Wait a minute. Yeah. And there's also JavaScript I don't need on that, which is this right here. Don't need to set the display. And then open navigation, and it's a resource nav. Okay, and I don't need that either. So now it should just be one big page, and the video should be on there. So let's see how it looks. Upload. Up in here, refresh. Oh, we got a background. Okay, I don't want no background. Let's see, here's the thing. Catch Snook, that's ClickBank. Okay, it's SketchUp. Click. Make sure that works. Workbench. Okay, there it is. And then, yeah. Actually, I wouldn't mind. Some screens are different sizes, and I just have a feeling that if somebody has a smaller screen, it's going to look kind of stupid. Let's see. What did I just let me undo this. Undo that. Okay, keep going. That one. That's the one I want to look at right there. That sets a window container to the height minus 40. Let's see. Height minus 40. Right, which is the, I believe 40 is this top log in and out buttons header up here. Okay, so I might want to keep that, and I'll just name this window container. It's not the, we'll call it display container. How about that? Yeah. Display container. Display container. I'll call that display container. And then this one we'll call display container. That way, hopefully that'll just make sure that the video is not like down low or something like that. You know what I mean? So let's refresh, see if anything broke. All right, yeah. So it does, I can see where it did deduct a little bit there. Okay, so scroll down, all this, all that. SketchUp, looks like there's something else in here. Wait a minute. Is there a folder in there? Okay, software, right, okay. Well, apparently I don't have the software in there. Software is supposed to be, I believe it's that. Yeah, that's SketchUp software. Yeah, some work to do there. Okay, so the resource viewer, right. Resource navigation, okay, that's all good. All right, let's take this background color off, shall we? Theme, that would be there. Some CSS theme action, padding, row, Looks good, looks good, looks good. All right, upload it. Verify the color's gone. You know, I do a lot of uploading, but I like to verify stuff, so. All right, there we go. Now, one more quick test here. Let's check out the car chase. All right, cool. Okay, I was going to add in, I'm going to add in, well, those are right up on the edge there, huh? Well, what I wanted to add in here is a little image to the left that shows whether it's a video or an external link. So to do that, let's go to the links function here. I think that was number 1. So here it says if it's a video, then it's going to put the link in. What do we have here? Span color change. Oh, okay. Well, what I'll do then is I'll put another right. I guess we'll try to put it in here. I have another span. I'm going to put this in, and this span is a class. We're going to make it a small and red if it's a video. Let's see if that works. I got that from another script I had written. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Refresh. And navigation. Okay, well, there it is. It's all shoved up all real far away there. I don't like that. Let's see. So it does show that it's a video. So let's see. So let's see if it's a video. Close all this. Scroll over here. Span class. So maybe I could put a space after that. And actually this whole thing needs to be moved over a little bit. It's just all sucked up against the side there. So I need some padding or something in there. So let's see. Oh, what I can do is I believe, okay, as I'm links to show, link type, I think it's up here. Okay. No. Okay, here it is. Where I call it a section. I start off with the links to show. This whole link array here is in section tags. And what I want to do is I'll just add some padding. Let's see, so it goes all the way across. So let's go, well, I'll just call it a W3 container, see what that looks like. Okay, try that, see what the container looks like. Might be too much up and down. We'll see. Top and bottom, in other words. So I'm looking for a little bit of left and a little bit of right padding. I'm getting that from W3 CSS. Okay, refresh. Okay, there we go. So now that looks better. I have some padding around there, and if it's a video, it shows the video, and if it's a link, it shows the link. Now you see that where it says folder nav? That's a little code hint. Let me see if I can, whoops. Oh hell, that probably won't even work. Oh wow, look at that. Zoom. You like that? Yeah, it's Windows Zoom. Anyway, it kind of gets slow and laggy whenever I'm using it, so I don't use it. But there you go. That might be too much padding. I don't know. I guess it looks okay. But anyway, now what I want to do is if it's a link, I want it to show that it's a link. And that's the idea. So I had that other one that I was working on over here, and here's the other span that has the link image on it. So I'm going to roll down here and we'll just put that one right in here with the link. And then I also have to put a space right there, like that. All right, now, see how that works. All right, refresh. All right, there's the main video. Okay, and it shows a link on the ones that are links. Amazon Associate Central, I know that's a link. Yeah. So I guess what I need to figure out is if I put a video link in there for just a local HTML5 video. All right, but for now, Facebook image grid, that's a link. Fishing, let's look in here. Okay, well, I'm happy. Something else I wanted to fix here was the responsiveness of this resource viewer. As you see in a big screen, it all looks okay. And if I shrink the screen down, oh, hold on, there we go. I mean, it looks good, but the video is like really small right there. And if I hit the navigation, you know, all that, well, that's the wrong navigation. This one, there we go. That all gets big. You can see it on your cell phone. So that's all good. But the problem is that little teeny video, I want that to take up the full screen here. So how do we do that? So I think what we can do, here's the video container. Let me just say right off that the video responsive player sizes itself to either what you tell it to or its container. So we see we have a container in there. So what I can do is just take the size out to start with on that. Okay, take the size completely out of there and make this, see here, style equals, we'll go width, we'll call it 100%, right? 100%, and then that video should size itself to 100%. So let's find out if that's true, first of all. Okay, index, upload, wait for it, and verify that it's still 100. You see here it's 75%, which I don't really want it 75% when it's big. I mean, I don't want it 100% when it's big. I want it, let's see what it looks like. Okay, see it's 100% on a large screen, which I don't want. And that should still be 100. I think it's because it's in, let's see what we're inside here. A display container, a row. Oh, I see. It's because we have W3 container there. So, okay, let's back up. I want this to be 75% right now. And that's fine to have the container there at that moment. It's a display container. Okay, let's save that and verify that that's gone back down to 75% because that's just too big. I mean, it doesn't need to be that big on a big screen. I mean, it's already set to where they can make it large. Okay, well, we're not centered anymore, so now we have to fix that. Let's go align center, center. Okay, verify that that worked. Upload and verify. Okay, it didn't line up there. Why not? Why not? Why not? We're centering it. Okay, because maybe I need to center the display container. What do you think? Okay, let's try that. All right, let's upload it and verify. Okay, F5. Ah, crying out loud. Go to the middle, you goof. What? Here's an error. All right, that's an error. What else? See, that's black. There's obviously something else going on here. Okay, class W3 padding. Okay, that needs to be there. Align center. Okay, let's try that. That was obviously not working. Upload. Verify. Okay, now it's centered. That's what I want. And when it's, you know, when it's at a full screen, it's 75%. That's all good. But as it gets smaller, you know, as it gets smaller, I think that I want it to get larger. So let's just say what we'll do is we'll make a copy of this right here. Before I get ahead of myself, right here, I'm just going to, let's just say this is what we're working on is number one. And I think number two up here is still this. So as I come back and I call that function on the condition, I think I set the size. There it is. We're not going to set the size, and we don't even need the name. I'm going to take that off. We don't need it. Okay, so that's going to be at 100% right off the bat. 100% of its container. So let's look at the container here. Down here is the container, and I have it set at, let's see, I have the width at 75% right here. So what I need to do is make a copy of this video container, copy it exactly as it is, put it right below there, and paste that in. And what I'll do is I will put a class on here on the 75%. I'll hide that. We'll hide that medium, and we'll also hide that small. There, hide medium and hide small. So when it gets to a medium screen, it'll hide that. And this one we will make it 100% so it gets bigger. And we also will take out the container part so that it goes from edge to edge. That's the plan anyway. And this one we're going to have to add a class in here of hide it large, right? So W3 hide large, meaning we don't want it to show up large. All right, so when the screen is large, we should see this one. And when the screen gets to tablet view and cell phone view, we should see that one. So let's verify it. Verify it. Verify it. Here we go. Upload. Come on. And verify that. Should be the same, which it is, 75%. Now, okay, I can see it working there. Well, let's stretch it out. Oops. Stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so that is a large screen. Oh, so you can see it flip from large screen to a tablet view. Tablet view. It probably doesn't even need to be that big on a tablet view. I mean, it could be. But and then as we go down to cell phone view, it, well, I still have quite a bit of space there. I don't know where that space is coming from. but it's in here somewhere, and it's better than it was. But let's see what's going on here. There's a slide master. There's the display center theme. So here's the container that it's in. Okay, I have W3. I have some padding on there. I do have some padding in there, which I can take out. Let's see. Padding, 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 padding. I didn't know it was going to be that much padding, but anyway, what I'm going to do is I think I'll make another one of these. We'll make it a little bit bigger for a tablet. Okay, so we'll go, this one will be at 100%. Hold on. We're just going to hide this one when it's medium. Okay, yeah, because that's going to be 75%. We're going to hide medium. No, and small. Okay, we're going to have to hide medium and small on that. Okay, we'll get confused here. Now, when it becomes a tablet, I want it to be, 85%, say. And we'll hide that large, and we'll hide that small. We'll hide it large and small. And then this one will just hide large and medium. Hide medium. And now we want that to be 100%. 75% large screen, and we'll hide it medium, hide it small. So that'll be showing up on a large screen. And then the medium we want to hide small and hide large, so that's like the tablet view. We'll make it 85%. And then, just to give it a little more hump, we'll just say 65 there so we can kind of see the difference there. And then this one is going to be on the small screen, so we're going to hide large and hide medium. Woohoo! All right. Upload, verify, upload. Oops. Oh, waiting. Okay, it's up there. Now we'll refresh. See what's happened. Okay, so that's at 65%. And then as we shrink down, there we go. Now that's better. So that's cell phone view. And then as we spread out, there we go. So that's tablet view. And then a little further out is just large screen view. And when they hit play on there, they can they can make it larger. So, and there we go. There's another little situation I need to take care of right away, and that is I don't want to show related videos, which it actually shouldn't be showing related videos. So just another little thing to fix. Let's see here. So we can see that it's starting to show related videos. Now, let me just see here. I'm going to pick one of these SketchUp videos here. Switch that to a SketchUp video. I'm just going to hit play and then pause. Well, it does give us some ads, but okay. All right. It is not showing it there. So the problem, I see where the problem is. The problem is that the function that I'm calling, this video responsive player function, this takes care of all of that as far as adding the related video stuff. So I don't think I need that. That's probably what's messing it up. I don't need that on there because my actual function there takes care of it, supposedly. Let's go see if that changes it. Because just by having it on there, once it goes into the function is supposed to either add it or take it off, but it shouldn't be on there. So let's go see if did I upload that? I don't know. Do it again. All right, let's verify that worked. Refresh. This should be brand new. Back to the beginning, there it is. Hit play and pause. Play and pause. Okay, so we don't have any related videos going on there. Now, to verify that that was correct on a large screen, let's verify. This is the large screen. We'll just put it back on there one time. Related videos equals 0, which we know that's what we're supposed to do, but that's messing things up over here in the function because the function is not really looking to remove the related videos. Okay, so let's just save that and just verify that that was the problem. Upload and verify. We'll have to hit play on it. Play and pause. No, play and pause. Okay, so there we go. So here comes the related videos. Now, since I don't have that on the other versions, as we shrink down here, let's get back here. If we start going down to different video. Now here's the tablet mode. You see it start to play. I'll pause it, and we don't have any related videos there. Now, as I roll down to it starts over. And let's verify anyway. Okay, so it's playing, and we pause, and we don't have any of that. That's good. Okay, so that was working. That is correct. So let me see here. Take that off. Oops. This might not be the best way to do this because just because of what I was just showing you here, as I'm moving the sliding this around every time it wants to start the video over on something else. So it's basically like reloading the video. So if I shrink my screen down to get it out of the way to do some work over here, and I'm watching the video is going to change to another video. So we're at plan B, because that's not going to work. Well, I have another class over here that I use. I use this other class in here for my slide outs, and one's at 50. That's for large is at 50, and then 75, and then 100, and then the font size gets larger. I could probably use this, and it's used for my responsive slide. Now, I guess I could just copy those. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll copy these three at medias there. Just copy those and put them down here. And I'll just rename those to responsive video container, right? Responsive video container. Let's see if this will work. Responsive video container. Paste. Alright, so, what's that error there? Missing something. There, I missed one when I copied it. So, that's another little responsive thing we'll just use for that. That'd be fine. Responsive video container. Oh, so I want to make that a little bigger. Let's make that 65, right? 65% like we were trying to do before. And then that one's at 75, and then that one would be 100. Okay, let me open these back up here. I don't need to enlarge the font, right? So that was for something else. Font, don't need to enlarge that. All I'm worried about is the width on this particular one. Background color, I don't need a color, so I do need to upload that. So let me go upload it, CSS, W3 CSS, upload that. And then I have to add that to, well, I'm going to take all these out. Bye-bye. Okay, that's gone. It's the video container. I'm going to call it, I don't need to hide it anymore. We'll take those out. Oops. Take these out of there. And we'll add in the one I just called it, the responsive video container. So here's the video container, and it's at 65%, so actually I don't even need that in there because the class should take over and do it. So that should fix that. I hope. Let's go see. Got to verify that. As usual. Always verifying something. Okay. We need to upload this guy. Upload. And then we'll go look. Let's make it big. Alright. We basically want to see this thing about the same size right now. So, and it is the same size. Now, let's make sure that I get rid of that other thing, the related videos. Pause. Okay, I don't see them. Now we're going to shrink it down. Oh, I wanted that to be bigger. I see it getting bigger. Let's see. Let's see, is that working? It seems like it's getting a little bigger. And when you get down to the bottom one, I can see it working, but there should be 100% there, and I don't really see it going at 100%. Oh, max width. Okay, no, that's fine. 75% width, 100%. Okay, I think it is right here. We've got that W3 container, which is adding padding around the video, which I don't want. Okay, let's see if that does the trick. We want that video to be full screen pretty much at cell phone size. So let's refresh. Okay, good. There it is. All right, that's pretty much full screen. Okay, it goes from full screen, pop, then I think that's 75%, and then it'll pop down to 65%, which can't really see that big of a difference, but either way, that works. So, and then the other thing was, if the video is actually playing, which I'll pause it here, so pause, right? And then before it was changing to a brand new video, which we don't want. Okay, so there we go. So that way, if I'm watching a video at a large screen and I shrink the screen down and I come over here to do something else, then it's still playing. So I think that's a success. Perfect.